In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use card templates in Microsoft Word. If you've ever wanted to make a greeting card, a postcard, or even a simple business card without starting from scratch, Word's built-in templates make it fast and polished. I'll walk you through the exact path to find them, and I'll share a few helpful tips so your cards look great when you print. Start by opening Microsoft Word. From any document or the home screen, go to File. This takes you to Word's Backstage view, where you can manage documents and, importantly, browse available templates. If you don't see the home screen, don't worry. File is always there in the upper left corner and is the quickest way to reach the full template gallery. Next, choose More Templates. This opens a broader collection beyond the handful you see on the Start screen. Here you'll find categories, featured designs, and a search bar. If you're connected to the internet, Word can also pull down new designs from the online library. Take a moment here. This view helps you compare options before you commit to a layout. In the search box, type Card. Keep it simple at first. Card will surface greeting cards, thank you cards, invitations, business cards, and more. If you're targeting something specific, you can refine your search with a phrase like birthday card, postcard, or business card. You'll typically see design previews, paper-size notes, and sometimes the intended stock type. If you plan to print on pre-cut sheets, glance at the description for any size or vendor details that match your paper. Now select a design that fits your purpose. When you choose a template, Word shows a larger preview and a brief description so you can confirm the layout and style. This is a good moment to think about orientation, color scheme, and how much text space you'll need. Once loaded, the template opens as a new document with placeholder text and images that you can replace. Stick with the font and spacing built into the template for a cohesive look. Those choices are part of why templates save time. A couple of quick tips before you finalize. If your card is meant to fold, check the on-screen guides so your front and inside panels align. For double-sided designs, review your printer's duplex settings and do a test print on plain paper to confirm margins and alignment. And if you're using heavier cardstock or pre-scored sheets, verify your printer's paper handling to avoid smudges or jams. That's it. By going to File, opening More Templates, searching for Card, and selecting a design, you can create professional-looking cards in minutes.